Oh no! It is morning! I am late for school and I cannot put my shirt on! Alex! Lily! Hurry up! We are very late! Give me your feet, I will put your socks on! Look at this room! It is a big mess!
We do everything for you every morning.
David, we are doing too much. They need to learn how to do things by themselves.
You are right, Emma. Today is the day. We will teach them to be independent.
Independent? What does that mean, Daddy? Does it mean I can do it alone? Do you get dressed by yourself every morning? Say yes or no in the comments. Yes, Alex. First, look at the tag. The tag goes on the back of your neck. I put my head in. Yeah! Then my left arm and my right arm. Look, Mom! Now it is my turn. I have 2 pink socks. I will put them on my feet.
Great job, Lily. You pull them up all by yourself.
You are very smart. I step into my blue jeans. 1 leg, 2 legs. Then I pull them up and button them. What color is your shirt today? Is it red, blue, or green? Tell me below. You both look wonderful. Getting dressed alone is the first step. Now, let's pack our bags.
Next stop is the living room. We need to prepare your school backpacks.
My backpack is completely empty. What do I need to bring to school today? Let us read your timetable. Today you have math and English. You need your books. Here is the red math book. Here is the green English book. I will put them inside. I have my beautiful yellow pencil case. I need my pencils and crayons to draw pictures.
Wait, Alex. You forgot something very important. What do you drink when you are thirsty?
Oh, my water bottle. I must drink a lot of water. I will put it in the side pocket. Do you have a water bottle? What color is it? Please type it in the comments. Zip. My bag is closed. It is a little heavy, but I packed it all by myself. Excellent job, Alex. Packing your own bag means you are very responsible. Oops. My bag fell down. But I will try again. I can do it.
That is the spirit, Lily. It is okay to make mistakes. Just try one more time.
Yay! I did it! My bag is on my back. I am ready to go to school.
Parents, do you let your kids pack their bags? Leave a heart if you do.
Bags are ready. Now our tummies are making noises. It is time for breakfast. Yes, I am very hungry. Let's go to the kitchen. I want to make breakfast today. Welcome to the kitchen. Today, I will be the chef. I want to make a yummy sandwich. Okay, Chef Alex. Here is some bread and strawberry jam. Be careful when you make it. I take 1 slice of bread. I use the knife to spread the red strawberry jam. Spread, spread. That looks delicious. I want to eat cereal. But the milk bottle is too heavy for me.
If something is too heavy, you can always ask for help. Let's pour the milk together.
Pour the milk. Stop. That is enough. Thank you, Daddy. My breakfast is ready. What is your favorite breakfast? Do you like bread or cereal? Tell us below. I put the second bread on top. My strawberry jam sandwich is finished. It is huge. Breakfast tastes much better when you make it by yourself. Good job, kids! Oh, I finished eating. But my plate is dirty and my hands are sticky.
An independent kid also cleans up. Take your dirty plate to the sink and wash your hands.
I carry my plate carefully. I do not drop it. I put it in the sink. I use soap to wash my hands. I wash the front and the back. Lots of bubbles. Do you wash your hands before and after eating? Type yes to keep away germs.
The kitchen is clean. Now we have one more mission. We need to go to the supermarket.
Wow, the supermarket is so big. There are so many things to see and buy. Yes, it's amazing.
Here is your shopping list, Alex. Your mission is to find these items and buy them.
Let me read. We need 3 red apples, 5 yellow bananas, and 1 box of milk. Look! I see the bananas over there. They are yellow and long. Follow me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 yellow bananas. I put them in the basket.
Can you count to 5 in English? Count out loud with me. 1, 2, 3.
Where is the milk? I see water and juice, but I cannot find the milk box.
If you cannot find something, you should ask the staff for help. Be polite.
Be polite. Excuse me, sir. Where can I find the box of milk, please? Oh! I found it. The milk was in the cold fridge. Now we have all the items on the list. Oh, good job finding everything.
Now, take this money and pay the cashier by yourself.
Hello. I would like to buy these things, please. Here is the money. Thank you. I get some coins back. This is my change, and this paper is the receipt.
That's right.
Aha! Do you like going to the supermarket? Leave a smiley face in the comments.
You are an amazing shopper, Alex. You bought everything independently.
Now, let's go home. The sun is down. It is nighttime. I am very tired after a long day.
Before we sleep, what do we do with our dirty clothes? We do not leave them there.
I remember. I must put my dirty clothes in the laundry basket. Wash them tomorrow. Brush, brush, brush. I brush my teeth by myself. My teeth are very clean and white.
How many times do you brush your teeth a day? Write the number in the comments.
My bed is so soft. I pull the blanket over me. I am ready to sleep.
You had a very big day today. Do you remember what you did all by yourself?
I got dressed alone. I packed my bag. I made a sandwich, and I bought food.
Yes, you did. You both showed us that you can be very independent. We are proud.
Being independent is fun. I like doing things like a big girl. Good night, Daddy.
Teaching independence takes time, parents. Start with small daily habits, like choosing clothes or packing bags.
Let them try, and let them make mistakes. That is how they learn and grow confident.
What new thing will you try to do by yourself tomorrow? Tell me in the comments.
An independent child is a confident child. Keep practicing every day. You can do it.
Thank you for watching our story. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Good night, everyone.